So in our previous video, we were able to complete the home page. Now, I think we move on to the next page, which is the file transfer page. Now, we start with the file transfer page, even though the folders transfer page is actually the first, but we start with the file. Yeah, so we go with the file since it's, let's say, the complicated one, then we move to the folder one. Okay, so this is the page, the file transfer page. So I think we have something in common from the home page here, which is the menu buttons at the top here. Then we have the, let's say, we have the tutorials also here. Then we can have the header also at this here being common to all of them. Okay, so what can we do? So we can add the functionalities first, then we move on to actually designing this page. Okay, so I can go to my copy and drag. Okay, so this is where we are at. Then we can add some command to uh, display our pages. Okay, so we are done with the home page. We can go to the file transfer. So the file transfer. So file transfer. Okay, no parameter needed. I'll just do pass for now. Okay, then I'll add the command there. Okay, so I think there's file, so command. So the command being equal to file transfer. Okay, I think we are good to go. So we have the command being added. So command being equal to file transfer. Okay, so I think first we have to look at what the pages are. So the home page, we can't forget it all because we have something in common there. So the top section here is in common. So what we need to do is forget the canvas here, then we create a new one. So where is the canvas exactly? So I think the canvas is actually, let's say, uh, the the most current, or the current canvas. We created a lot of canvas there, but the current one is this one. So we just forget this one, then we are good to go. Okay, so first we need to make it global so that we can access it in another function. So I will just define my global variables here. So global canvas. Okay, I think you are good to go. Then in here I'll just do canvas dot forget dot place forget. Okay, like this. So it should forget the canvas. Now I'll reload and see what we have. So I'll need to quit this. Okay, so it's working now. I'll click this. Okay, so you can see what we want is actually there. So we have the top menu there, the tutorials there, and the header 2 there. So it's looking good. Now we need to create our own canvas there. So our own canvas. So you can see we need a canvas here. Then I think it's more like this also there, like from the home page, but I think we need this side, so we need to reduce the length of this canvas, then add another one at the right hand side. Then our image to coming. Okay, so we can do that in the next video.